Hi, welcome to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Today I'm going to be doing a landscape pour. I'm going to be using leftover colors. All these are leftover except for this one. And I'm going to do a sunset. You got to get the horizon straight, so I taped that off. And the ocean and a little beach. So let me go over the colors that I know of right now. I really don't know this color. I know I'm using a lot of colors for the sunset. This one's Black Diamond Vivid Orange and Amsterdam Azo Orange. This one is Creative Inspirations Cadmium Orange. Basics Magenta. Piggy Nightfall, TLP, actually, yeah, Piggy Nightfall. And with that, Primary Elements, what is that? No, I think it's just Piggy Nightfall. TLP, this is a copper, Artist Loft Copper. And I'm not sure what this gold is. Probably a mixture of different golds. And this light orange is Amsterdam Transparent Yellow Medium. And mixed with Naphtol Golden Red Light. That's how you pronounce that. Why do these colors have to have so many colors that's hard to pronounce? So let's get going. Who knows? I'm going to use all these colors, but they're leftover, and I figured might as well use them. Not sure if these colors are what I would pick, what I would choose if I was doing it from scratch. Let's get going. Okay, so I think I want to put. Do I want to put a little? No. This has a little bit. This is a used canvas. I taped on the back. It's a 16 by 20. Got my push pins on there. It has a little bit of texture on there, and I'm hoping that's okay for a landscape pour. That's why I didn't want to do a pearl pour on here. So I'm going to get going, and I usually like the darker colors at the top. My colors are mixed with Floetrol, GAC 800, water, and a little bit of Liquitex pouring medium. I use a lot of these leftover colors are from pearl pours and bloom pours. Let's see if I can get this moving here. One thing about living in Hawaii is everything rusts. I'm outside on the lanai, and I do have some rust on the bottom of this Fluid Art Company swiper, but I'm still going to use it and see what happens here. I got to just very, very light touch. These paints are very thin. Okay, I think I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and fix the edges, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got all the sides finished, and before I go any further, I'm going to show you a couple of my landscape pours that I've done. This is a beach wave. I did this about 4 months ago. And here's a pearl wave. This is about a year ago. I even did some alcohol ink beach. And that's right here. That's about probably a year and a half ago. I did a fall color tree a couple years ago, and landscape with meadows and mountains. And about 3 years ago I did my first beach wave swipe. So if you want to look at any of these, go ahead and look back in my videos and you'll see the full tutorial on how I did them. Usually I wait until this dries really well, but well, I think I will wait a little bit. It's just, I'm going to wait a little bit to have it dry, just a bit before I pull that tape off. Okay, now I have my ocean colors out, and all of these ocean colors are leftovers also. So I really can't tell you the colors, but I do know that this is a TLP Pearl White, and this is Artist Loft Soft Body White. The rest of them, including the gold for the beach, are mixed together to make these colors. And I think I'm going to do, and usually I don't do a flip cup with a landscape, I just do a swipe. But today I'm going to try flip cup. I'm going to do a dirty flip cup in 4 different layers, going darker to lighter. We'll see how that goes. I'll add some pearl in here and there. I can always do the waves after. And of course, if it doesn't work, then you just wipe it off and do it over. So that's paint pouring. Alright, I'm going to get ready and I'll be right back with you. It is still wet, so one good thing about oceans is the dark water is always in the distance, so you could always fix that with a brush, but this gives you a good starting point. I think I'm going to come around like this. And I will have to wait till it dries before I can put some land out here. Anyway, these are the watercolors in Hawaii. Just looked out the lanai, and it's pretty close with the sun out. So let's get going. It's a little scary. It's always scary. Do I want to pour it or dump it? I think I will dump it and do a flip and drag. There might have been a little silicone in one of these, and I have no idea which one. Okay, well, we'll see. Okay, a lot of paint. Okay, I am bummed that there was silicone somewhere because I really didn't want these cells coming up. So I don't know, I might scrape this. Let's see, we have to see how it turns out. As it starts drying, you have to make sure that your paper towel is super wet or it'll start skipping. And sometimes the skipping's not bad, it creates a different look. There's a couple things that I tend to do, and that is overwork my projects. This is abstract, so I have to quit trying to make it look like a real landscape and start loosening up with how I do things, if that makes any sense. I'm running my palette knife through the cells in hopes that, and I've done it a little bit, that the cells don't look as round. So I just put some white on here too. I'm just gonna see if I can do that too. Make it look like waves. But anywhere where there's a big cell, or even a little cell, I want to mess it up. It's starting to dry, so. Okay, I'll just keep an eye on it and I'll bring you back after I finish it. Alright, I'm finished. I did some brush work on the waves. Put a little texture in the sand. Put a peninsula in there. I don't mind the texture either. All the cells are gone. Please tell me what you think. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I appreciate it. See you next time. Aloha.